Alright everyone, welcome to another section of research photography. So if today is the first time of you coming across my video, do it to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to get it. So basically in today's video, I'll be teaching you on the transforming game in the retouching industry. The transforming game in photography, every single thing, which is one of the AI software, Evoto AI. So I'll be teaching you simple step and you see the tricks of Evoto AI, how you can use Evoto AI to transform your picture from what it is to what you are going to get. And here is a workflow that is advisable to use Evoto AI. Use C1, which is Capture One, to EV, which is Evoto, to Photoshop, which is PS. That should be your workflow. Why is that? There are certain things that you still have to do after using Evoto. Here is what Evoto is going to reduce for you: skin retouching, background cleaning, and skin retouching and background cleaning, basically the color grading, because you can actually steal a color grading from a picture. That's funny. You can steal a color grading from another picture to your picture. Those are the things that Evoto can do for you. Here is something I don't really enjoy the effectiveness of Evoto. Cleaning boxes and those other stuff, they are not really there yet, but Evoto is a game changer to help retouchers. So we're going to right click on this image. I already done my capture one on this image. Edit with Evoto. So TIF, I'm going to change it to 16 bits since I'm not doing much. I need that. I just have my reason of doing it always sharp. I just need some level of depth while editing. So just wait for it to load in Evoto AI. And mind you, Evoto AI uses network. So if your network is bad, it's going to be acting this way. So let's just stick around and see the outcome. Yeah, now we are in Evoto. So if you just downloaded yours, here is going to be how it's going to be looking. But first, we're going to fix this. I like zooming in my picture while using the Evoto app. So we're going to remove acne. So while pushing this slide, do it little. I'm going to bring all these ones back. Still trying to remove it a little. To reduce face shine. Start to reduce face shine. Dark circles, I do increase it a lot. I do remove dark circles a lot. Eye bag, a little. Then lower. Hair is actually necessary if the person is wearing glasses. So I will just keep that. Double chin. Let's see. Double chin. Lips wrinkle. Okay, that's gone. Double chin. So what I'm doing next is, I will take this one down. Why I take it down is, if you overly do it, it will look too fake. You will not enjoy it. So it's important that you push your slide little by little. Forehead. Just take this one. Even lines. Eye wrinkles. Trying to push this up a little. So the thing is, you look for what is very important to you to use. That's just it. Body refinement. So the body is not showing. We can't push anything here. Even the neck is not showing. So skin our skin retouching. So what I do most is I work on dodge and burn. So if I do dodge and burn, you can see the effectiveness of it. Then I push this one a little. Take this one back. Take this one back. Just like that. I don't want to overly do it too much. Texture smoothing, avoid it. Then frequency separation, just push a little. Just push a little. I avoid this too. Body this thing is not, we don't have it, so just leave that one too. So one sweet part of Evoto AI is I love the skin tone uniformity. AI uniformity face complexion is going to automatically unify every single color. We come to AI uniform body complexion. Just like that. Then unify body complexion. All this is very important if you are editing a full picture. So credit of this picture actually belong to my boss, Sir NCOURAGE. So this is his picture. So what I do is maybe I want to like tweak this color a bit. I want to use something like this for this picture, or something like this. Here is it. You can reduce the intensiveness of the amount you put of it. Select skin tone. Can actually take it down. Take around 5 will work for me. So let's see before, after, before, after, before, after, before, after. So I'm still going to remove blemish. So just like that. So we'll scroll down to see other features. Facial reshape, facial expression, teeth, eye whitening. So since the eye is showing, I'm going to show eye whitening. Brightness. Remove glass glare. You can remove this. And I already taught on how to do it if you don't have the Evoto credit or the software to remove it. Eye whitening enhancement. So you see, you don't have to start stressing yourself. Just that you have to be careful while pushing all these things. When you do it too much, it's going to make your image look too fake. You can fix makeup. And here is hair session. You can actually work on it. Hair. Can remove white hair, you can remove strain hair, like hair flying away instead of trying to remove it one by one. So just basically like this. And boom. Game changer. So before, after, before, after, before, after. So it's just basically simple. It's basically simple. Your results in seconds, like it won't just take time. Or you stress yourself to edit and boom, you can send immediately. You can send your pictures to your client using the Evoto AI. It is not difficult. So on my next video, I'll be teaching you how you can edit full pictures, clean background with Evoto, then edit batch pictures. It is very simple. So do you to subscribe to this channel so whenever I drop videos, you'll be able to get it. So Evoto AI he has come to stay, and it came to make retouching easy for every retoucher. It's not something that you'll be dragging from. So peace out, guys. So while exporting this, you just come here, click on export, choose whatever settings you want to choose. So then you want to return back to capture one, then take to Photoshop. That's what I do. I return back to capture one, then take to Photoshop. You do TIF, you export back to origin. Either here choose original folder, the folder you exported from, then take back to Photoshop to do your finishing. So that's just it. So if you allow your workflow to be capture one, Evoto, then back to capture one, then to Photoshop. When you are taking back to capture one, you're not doing anything, just to have your TIF back in capture one, then open with Photoshop. It is simple. But my next class, I'll be teaching on this, and just stay tuned. Peace out.